Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews everyone, and welcome to my review of the Vileda Windomatic Power. This is the new model. They did have a previous model. I have also reviewed the Karcher and I reviewed the Bosch glasswork not so long ago. I'll leave links to them in the description box and on the top iCards as well if you watch them. And at the time I did mention my Karcher gave up on me after 2 years and I was searching different products, and I did mention I was going to review the Vileda. I picked this up from Amazon for $29.99. Today it's on there for $48.94 and normally retails at $59.99. So I'm going to do a quick review. I have used this. I used it on my car bonnet because again the blade is soft, and I have used it on the car windows, the house windows. But today I've got a piece of glass where I've actually put some toothpaste on and let it settle, because why I've got the box there is I just wanted to show you. If you see there, it says 2 power levels, so it's got a normal mode and then it's got a max mode, and the max mode gives you 50% more power. Say it cleans 120 windows on one charge. I can't comment on that. Again, I haven't cleaned that many windows. To show you what's included, obviously you get the machine, the head, you get some paperwork, instructions and a manual, but you don't really need the instructions for this. If you do need to read the instructions for this, you really need to keep away from plastic, and you get a single charger. Let's do an overview of the machine. It's got some branding there. They're the air vents, of course. Over here it's got the charging port where you would put it on charge. Now it takes about 3 hours to charge, maybe a bit less, and it does last over 30 minutes. Nothing at the bottom. Same on this side. It's got an on-off switch here, so when you're on it, that's normal speed. When you push the max button, when I've pushed the max button, you could hear the pitch of the motor getting slightly higher because it's kicking into more power, and that does of course consume more battery. But also when I'm on it to max, you can see there's a little indicator there that's flashing red over there. I don't know if you can see that properly. It says max there, so that's how much fluid it will pick up. Now one of the good things I like about this is you clip that off, that comes off. Just push this button here, comes off, and then you can empty that. And also this is dish washable safe. It's got a seal around there so no water will leak out, and obviously it just goes on one way and it just pushes in like so. And over here you could see that's red there, that's the flexible neck, which is really good to get into awkward cleaning places. You could like get in and you sort of the neck bends. Oh, that's good. Now onto the head. So to take the head off, it's simple. You just hold, pull, and it comes off. That's where the dirty water gets sucked into. That's the head. Put on, it only goes on one way. Push on, you hear that click, it's on securely. That's off now. Okay, let's have a bit of a closer look at the blade. It is of a large size, the blade. Now that is soft rubber. That is not as soft as the Bosch one, but again, that was Bosch, and Bosch have been making wipers for a long time. It is safe to say it won't scratch any of your surfaces. Again, you can use this on windows, car bonnets in my case, or picking up spills, your tiles, shower screens, any flat surfaces you can use it, but as long as the surface is smooth, otherwise the blade will get ruined. So this is something I prepared earlier. This piece of glass here, and I've put toothpaste on it, and as you can see I was quite generous with the toothpaste because I want to show you what the normal speed does and then what the max power does, as they claim it adds 50% more power. To get some fairy in a bowl, I'm not going to use my spray on this. Come back and then we'll do the test so you can see it on camera. So as you can see, I did take some of the toothpaste off. It is just a window cleaner. It's not a miracle worker. I think I did apply too much toothpaste on. On this side I'm going, because it's got a big blade, so this side I'm going to do normal power, and on that side I will do the max power. So first of all, on. There you can see, definitely clean that off over here. Oh, that's some soap because like I said, I did put too much on. Now on this side I'm going to do the max mode. There's water coming off from the actual blade. I did put too much fairy in the bowl, so there's obviously fairy falling off there when I'm shaking it. So now I'm going to do the max mode. So on it first, press the max mode. That's just glided straight off. So it does give it better performance in max mode. Apologies for the lighting, it may have gone a bit dark in it because I had to turn the other light off because I wanted to be able to see the results. Okay, so max mode. Then the neck, it bends. It's a good thing. There you go, you've seen my demonstration with the Vileda Windomatic. Overall, what do I think of it? Now, in terms of suction wise, I don't think it's got the best suction. Now, remember, I'm referring to Karcher, Bosch, and then the Vileda Windomatic. Even in the max mode, the suction is okay. They say streak free. I wouldn't 100% agree with that. It has left streak in my time of testing this. I love the flexible neck. That is definitely a bonus. I love that the dirty water container can be removed and put in a dishwasher as well. That was my biggest complaint with the Bosch, because I couldn't clean it. Now, the other thing about this I don't like, it's his big head. It's only got one size fits all. If Vileda do start making, like, you know, different size heads, like a smaller size head will be perfect, because as you can see now, when you try to do smaller windows, it's difficult. Yes, you can go sideways, but then sometimes you want to go straight down, and rather than going sideways. Those of you that have used window vacuums will know what I'm on about. If you do have large windows like I do, it's okay for me, because I've got the Bosch for upstairs and downstairs. Like, we've got like big patio doors. It's okay for that. It's okay for like your car windows, and even if you want to dry your car, because I did use it on my car bonnet, which is a new car by the way, and it didn't scratch it because the wiper is soft. I don't think it's up to the Karcher standard yet, or even the Bosch for that matter, but it is okay. Saying that, it's only okay if you can get it at a reduced price. I don't think it's worth its original price tag of $59.99. Not at this point in time. If Vileda can make some more changes to it, like for instance, a smaller head would be nice, and the suction maybe improve on that a bit more. That's me being fussy, because I've used the other two. You know, you might find it different, because the results I get, you might not get them. I'm just giving you my opinion. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, and if it's your first time here, please subscribe, because I do upload product review videos on a weekly basis. Thank you very much for watching, my friends. I'll see you in my next video.